come on. Today is the last day of our body scrub and facial challenge. Yes, we made it this far, and we made it up here right now as I'm talking to you right now. Yes, there were so many obstacles that came along and I couldn't shoot this video consequently, but I'm super glad that today is the last day and the results are massive. Take a look at this product, okay? Just take a look at me, take a look at my skin, and you will realize how amazing this journey has actually been. I have never ever done this before, like, okay, shooting a video about any challenge as this, and I'm super excited that I did it for 7 days. And yes, today is the last day. Today is the last day. All right guys, so if you have been following from day one, I just want to say thank you so much for actually pulling out with me, and thank you so much for those who were actually like waiting, hey, when is the next video, when are you uploading the next video? Guys, it hasn't been easy. Along the line I also fell sick, and trust me, I thank God that today I'm able and okay to shoot this video right now. So guys, if you haven't checked from day 1 to day 6, be sure to check it out. Be sure to follow the challenge, and if you are following this challenge from day 1 up to now, know that you will have a present from me. Hit me up in the comment section, and yes, you have a gift, okay? All right guys, so let's move on to day 7 and the last. All right guys, stay tuned. So this is the scrub I have been using from day 1 to day 7. So if you have not watched my previous videos, be sure to check it out. This scrub is actually a bomb. I have emphasized so much on it, and I don't want us to take so much time today. So because today is the last day, I will actually be focusing on any area. I will focus on my face. Yes, I focused on my face before, and I started with my face and I'm ending with my face, but today it's something different because I'm showing you that you can as well lace your face and use this scrub, okay? So in order to avoid any after lace breakouts, so you actually have to use our scrub to do that. All right guys, so let's begin. So before I lace my face, I'll actually make sure that I clear it up. Yes, if you know this is Neutrogena. So I'm using this acne pads and disinfectant pads to actually clear my face before I lace. So if you do not have these pads, you could actually use a steamer, okay? Steam your face first before you do it. I used this plate.
Mommy, my jersey.
And now,
Huh? When did the stop?
I'm using again.
Games?
So this is my brush. If you are not having this brush among your collections, guys, or for your skincare routine, then you are not doing yourself good. Okay, all right, so let's go. Okay guys, enough of the scrubbing, and so allowing this on my face as long as I want to. Yes, I say this because this is a very natural scrub and no side effects, nothing. You can do same. So if you're in a hurry, yes, let's say you're in a hurry, it's morning or it's night, you're rushing to go to bed, then you can allow it for 10 to 15 minutes. But if you're not in a hurry and you're just at home, then you can allow it for as long as you want to. It should dry off and it should fall off just like you see here. And if you just raised your face, make sure that you apply this on your face. You can see what I just did. And yes guys, if you do not have this acne pads, which are really disinfected, and also there are treatment parts, okay? It's a treatment for those who have acne and for those who have breakouts. Even if you do not have acne, you can as well use it to make sure that your face is always clean and very clear away from any bacteria. Because you know, when we're moving out there, we are actually, there's dust, seen and unseen bacteria dropping on our faces daily. So you have to make sure that your face is clean before you go to bed. Okay, you must make sure that it's clean. Okay guys, so while waiting, let's stay tuned and I'll be back when it's dry. Okay. Yes guys, so while we're waiting for this to dry off, I don't want to bite balloon. And make sure it dries off. Okay. Alright. As you can see, it's ready to be washed off, and yes, once I wash it off, I'll be back. Please stay tuned. So guys, you can see it's all wet. Okay. So I don't want to use the facial cream today. I just want to use my facial serum. Yes, you always see me with this. If you know me, you will know that this is one of my favorite. Yeah. See? Dripping. Okay. So just to tell you that we use what we sell. Okay. Oh Lord, this is super amazing guys. if you didn't join this challenge, I don't know. I don't know what I can tell you right now. I can't really express myself. If you didn't join this challenge, I don't know. So right now I'm gonna go with my Gluta Prime. Yes, I'll apply on my face. Yeah. This is something I really love. The glowness and everything, the uniformity is what you need for your skin. If you like, follow me. If you don't like, stay there with that kind of skin. So I'm gonna use a little too. First it. I'm fine, thank you. School is fine. Yeah. Super great. Alright guys, so take a look. Oh my, because look at this. What in the whole world is this? Guys, do you see? Super pretty, super beautiful, and trust me. Alright guys, so from my love to yours, I say thanks so much for tuning in from day 1 to day 7, and thanks so much for the love is massive, and trust me, hit me up or do comment below if you want us to take on another challenge. Okay guys, so thanks so much. If you need any of these products I use in this video, if you need our scrub to start your own challenge, just hit me up, and trust me, I will get back to you as soon as possible. And guys, from my love to yours, where's my drum? Bring my drum. I say thanks so much, and see you in my next video. See you in my next normal video. And I can't leave this without saying see you in my next video. Thanks so much. I'm so excited that I could do this challenge till the end, guys. Thank you so much, and bye for now.